On Sunday, January the 10th, from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time, the AAS will be hosting the Graduate School and REU Fair. We hope that you will join us and come and meet representatives from over 40 schools and REU programs. After you log in, you can enter the Graduate School Fair by clicking on the top menu and entering the Graduate School Fair through one of the 3 halls, the Graduate School Fair hall here, or through the Graduate School Fair on the right side of the lobby. When you first enter, you'll see on the bottom a video welcome from our president with some tips and tricks for first-timers, how the actual exhibits work, and using the chat, and then an index of all the schools represented. Our sponsor, AUI, has a banner across the top, and all the schools have different booths that are displayed, and you can move through very quickly by just holding your mouse on the right, and they will scroll through, or on the left, and they'll scroll to the left, where you can choose a booth by the index. If we want to learn more about a particular school, you just click on it, as in Yale here. Each one of the panels can be clicked on and will open up a tab with more information. You can also click on any one of the links that they've provided on these quick links. They've also provided some information about the school and some videos that you can either view now or add to your swag bag, and documents that you can either view now or add to your swag bag. Later, as you've been visiting exhibitors and schools, you have a swag bag filled with information that you can either view, remove, or email. You can email that to yourself or to someone else if you'd like. One really great feature is that if you'd like to set up a time to meet with somebody, is you can click on reserve a chat slot, and you can see what representatives will be available at Yale, what days of the week they're available to talk to you. So if you don't have time on the 10th, for instance, you can see maybe they're available on the 12th and what time. Perhaps you'd like to talk to a grad student to see what grad school life is like. Or you'd like to talk to the registrar if you're interested about financial aid or what the application process is like. You just look here, pick a day, say you want to talk to the astronomy chair on the 9th, and you just click available, and you can reserve that slot. And they will receive an email, and you will receive an email reserving that slot, and you should return at that time on January 12th at 12 o'clock into their chat room. And the way you enter their chat room is coming back to the booth and clicking on chat. And once you're there, you'll see, hopefully they will be in the chat room, and you'll see their name listed here. Right now, Professor Meg Urey is in the chat room, and you're the user, Jordan K, you're visiting. In the center here are group chats that are happening in that room, and you can enter a message. Hi, I'm here for an appointment with, and then you can say whoever you're here for appointment with. And Meg could answer that. She wants to actually have a conversation with you directly. You can just click on chat now and have that conversation with her. You can also see her entire bio. And you can join a video call with her. And she can see your entire bio as well. I'm going to leave this chat room. I'm going to take you back out just to show you one of the things you should do is make sure that your profile is completely up to date. So click on your edit profile when you first log in. Make sure that your name is correct, where you work, your alma mater, any interesting information about you, your CV, upload your photos so people will recognize you. And then when you're visiting these different booths, they can take notes about you and learn a little bit more about you, and they have your CV and all the information you want to provide. So that's how you're going to get around the Graduate School Fair and meet up with everybody and stay in touch. And we hope that you have an enjoyable time.